This is Emma. Emma is kind, polite, and always respects everyone.
And he is Jack. He is rude and does not like following good manners.
Good morning. Emma always keeps her room clean. Today will be a wonderful day.
I don't want to wake up. Jake never cleans his room.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well? Yes, Mommy.
Jake, it's time to get up.
5 more minutes.
You'll be late for school. Jack, brush your teeth properly.
I'm done.
That was too fast. Emma, don't forget to wash your hands.
Okay, Mom. I always wash my hands.
Here is your breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Enjoy your meal.
It looks delicious. Breakfast is ready.
I don't want this.
Please eat first.
I want something else.
Thank you for breakfast.
You're welcome.
We're proud of your good manners.
Jack, please take your plate. I'll do it later. Please be responsible.
This is really very bad manner of Jack.
What should we do? Jack, have a nice day. Don't forget your lunch.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Have a wonderful day.
Be kind and help others.
Good morning, Mrs. Green.
Good morning, Emma.
Can I help you?
Thank you, dear.
You're very kind. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. You too. You dropped your trash.
I don't care.
That's not good manners, Jake. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Emma.
May I stand here?
Of course.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mr. Driver. Good morning.
Jack, please don't push. Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Please be careful, Jack. That's not good manner. Please leave the bus one at a time.
After you. Thank you, Emma. Come on, move faster.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Have a nice day.
Oh no! Let me help you. You'll be late. It's okay. Helping is important.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. You're welcome. That was very kind. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mrs. Brown.
It's nice to see you. Jack,
Hi.
can you greet me politely?
Good morning, Mrs.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs. Brown.
Today is a special day. The kindest student will win this star of kindness.
I'll do my best.
Winning is easy.
These 4 words are very powerful
Why?
because they show respect. Class, what should you say when someone helps you?
I know.
Jake, please wait for your turn.
May I answer, please?
Yes, Emma.
We should say, thank you.
Excellent. That is the correct answer. Now, let's practice. Who would like to help a friend?
Hi-yo.
Emma, please give these notebooks to your classmates.
Okay, Mrs. Brown.
Here is your notebook.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
Here is your notebook, Jack.
Jake, did you forget something?
Forget what?
What do we say when someone helps us?
Thank you, Emma. You're welcome.
Very good, Jake.
One kind word can make someone's day better.
That's true.
Enjoy your recess, everyone.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am. Ouch! Watch where you're going. Are you okay? Let me help you.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. Jack, can you pass the ball, please?
No, it's mine now.
Jake, games are more fun when everyone plays. Okay, here you go.
Whose wallet is this? Maybe someone dropped it. There is money inside. What will you do?
Someone must be looking for it.
Maybe. Let's give it to Mrs. Brown.
You're right. Let's return it. Good choice.
Mrs. Brown, we found this wallet. Thank you for bringing it to me. This wallet belongs to Mr. Green. The school janitor? Yes.
Has anyone seen my wallet?
We have it.
Thank you so much. This wallet is very important to me.
Jake, you made the right choice.
It felt good to help.
I'm proud of you, Jake. Class, Jack made a very honest choice today. Honesty is a wonderful manner.
Good job, Jack.
Now let's do one more kindness activity to win reward.
Okay, I'm ready.
The star of kindness will be announced before everyone goes home.
Really?
Please finish your worksheet carefully.
Yes, Mrs. Brown. I'll try my best. Oh no! Can someone help me, please?
Thank you, Jack. You're welcome. That was very kind.
Jack, you helped without being asked.
Before you go home, I have one last announcement. Today, one student showed kindness, honesty, and respect.
Who will win?
The star of kindness goes to...
I hope I did enough.
Congratulations, Emma.
Thank you, Mrs. Brown. I will always be kind.
Jack, please stand up.
Me?
Today, you showed honesty, kindness, and respect.
Thank you, Mrs. Brown.
Keep using good manners every day.
Please like this video, subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next story.
Goodbye, friends! We hope you enjoyed our story.
Did you learn good manners today?
We hope you did.